lovers out there. This is your bird nerd Stefan Kruger. I didn't expect to do some birding while I go out for a hike, but yeah, I just saw the best sighting for the year. Well, not really, but I'm sure it is. I didn't even bring my book. What a nerd. But I actually saw something that I haven't seen before, so I can't wait to watch the footage, see what we captured together. Yeah, let's do this. 2025 may be a blessed year for every one of you, and great bird sightings. Enjoy it.
As I was walking down the hill, I heard these little guys with their alarming sound, something like that. But yeah, I was surprised and they inspired me to start this video actually. This is the Rufous-eared Warbler, known for their rufous-colored ear patches. They are found in scrubland areas, normally found in pairs. They are actually shy birds and use the scrub bushes for their advantage. So yes, they are known for their rufous-colored ear patches. It was the first time I've ever seen them and I was so excited. Really good at hiding, as you can see, except for the sun that's beaming on them. Oh, they look so cute. There they go. The Prince Albert Koppies, full of luscious scrubland bushes. That looks delicious if you were a bird. Walking along the trail at the Prince Albert Koppies. It's a pretty long trail, I would say about 1.5 kilometers. Looking for anything that moves. Coming down closer to the town, I spotted this lady. Looking beautiful. Crisp, the southern red bishop, the female.
I'm here also doing some strolls along the roads and streets of Prince Albert, and of course you will see some random nature activities around this area. I think I spotted something, but I think it's a dove. Yeah, haven't seen my Ponto copper yet. I'll get the English name for it.
Acacia pied barbet, bird nerd.
Saw something very cool now. Also will get the name for it. You'll probably see it in the video, but I'll see if I cut this so I look like a professional. But I am the bird nerd Stefan Kruger. Let's carry on.
And yes, there is something for everyone if you're an ants fan. What a weird little thing. But still, we love nature. It's beautiful. Now walking along the roads of Prince Albert, there's a couple of things to look out for. Sometimes even more than a couple. Now, for a more common sighting, the speckled pigeon, seen all around town, normally in pairs, but we all need some quiet time. Walking along the road, there's one thing you can't miss, and that is a hungry juvenile familiar chat, waiting for his mother to bring a snack. The the familiar chap. What a precious little bird. And I think we are gonna see some feeding. It's always nice seeing a juvenile bird. Look how cute it is. That tail wagging. Oh! It's time for feeding. What a precious sighting. In the streets of Prince Albert, you never know what are you gonna spot next, for potential is everywhere. As the sun is shining, you get a full glimpse of the red-winged starling. A much longer starling that can reach about 30 centimeters. They have this black plumage with chestnut flight feathers, which are easy to spot as they fly off. The red-billed quail, also known as the red-billed weaver, a sparrow-like bird of the weaver family. Most of the males have a black facial mask that is complemented with a yellow, pink, rusty color around the face. And of course, the red-billed quail, female.
First thing I have to do is identify my birds better. But
Definitely.
it will be a process. This is my first BirdNerd Files series. Spotting birds, doing some great sightings. And yeah, here this morning in Prince Albert at the Koppies, the bird activity, January, about 6 o'clock in the morning. It's really active. It's getting hot throughout the day, and then the bird activity is not so great, but the mornings are excellent.
One thing you got right.
Yeah, as I'm just finishing off this video, there's a lot of birds flying around and I can't stop looking, and even my favorite bird at the moment just landed there and I'm like, oh, I know what's it in Afrikaans, so Bondhoutkapper. I'm still trying to get the English version
Again, acacia pied barbet bird nerd.
around my tongue. Wind is hectic now. Yeah, this is BirdNerd Stefan Kruger. Let's see what's to come. Hold on, what's that? I was just about to close this video and then I spotted something. Hold on.